No more fighting with Google Translate or GPTs to translate captions for your videos. Hey guys, it's Kay from Cutback and this is Cutting It Back with Cutback. If you want to reach global audiences, boost your engagement, and rank higher in search results, then translation is a game changer for your video. And today we'll show you how to achieve that effortlessly using the Cutback plugin, which supports over 30 languages of translation. But why do I need to translate my videos anyway? We get it. It's another step in your video editing workflow when you already have a pretty packed video editing schedule. But as we said before, translating your videos naturally leads to reaching more viewers, a boost in engagement, better SEO, and better discoverability because your content is accessible in different languages. Traditionally, you could use Premiere Pro's transcription feature to create captions, and then maybe use Premiere Pro's beta version to get the translation work done. However, there are some downfalls to doing so. First, the transcription tool in Premiere Pro is kind of notorious for not being 1000% accurate all the time, which adds another layer of work to your workflow because you need to fix those errors. Also, the translation feature is still limited to only 17 languages. So how do we combat these issues? Simple. Use Cutback. Cutback boasts at least 29 languages that you can translate to and from, as well as being known for having a highly accurate AI-powered transcription tool. First, after downloading Cutback and opening the window up in Premiere Pro, navigate to the Edit Captions menu, transcribe your video to edit captions, and then select the translation tool to automatically translate them. Hit Apply Changes to Sequence and then select the trendy caption style that you would like to use. Once you've done that, you can decide whether you want to include the translation into your captions or exclude it, and also decide the gap that you want in between the original language and the translated language in the caption. After making all of your other adjustments such as color, scale, or position, you can apply those changes and boom, you're done. I know, too easy, right? Next time you need to translate captions for your videos, try this method and let us know how it went in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Cutback channel for more Premiere Pro tips and tricks in the Cutting It Back with Cutback series. We'll see you next time.